Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make different themes in Roblox Studio. Firstly, we'll open Roblox Studio, then go to the My Games tab. From here, we'll go to the game that we want to add themes in. So I'll go into the game. Then I'll let the game load first. So now the game has loaded. So from the Explorers tab, we will head to the Themes section. Now in the Themes tab, we will add two themes. We'll give the first theme name Team Red. The second theme name will be Team Green. Now we'll choose the theme color from the properties. The red will be this color. And the theme color for the green theme will be the lime green color. After that is done, we have to add two spawning pedestals in the workspace. So one is here already. We have to add another one. So we'll name the first one red spawn, and the second one shall be named green spawn. Now click on the red spawn first, then from the properties tab we have to navigate down until we find the themes tab. After coming to the themes tab, we'll uncheck the neutral one and check the allow theme change on touch, and the theme color shall be the one we previously selected. So for red it will be a really red color, and just to make things look better, we'll change the brick color as well to this one. Now select the green spawn. Now we have to do the same. We have to firstly come to the theme section. From here, change it to allow theme change on touch. Then uncheck the neutral one, and theme color will be the lime green one, like we have given previously. And we'll also change the brick color to match the theme color. So now it is done, and after we click on the play button, you will see that right now I am on the red team, so I have spawned on the red pedestal. And if I move to the green pedestal, I am now on the green team. And it is same in here as well. And again, if I move to the red pedestal, I'll be on the red team. So that's how you can make teams and also switch between teams in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.